Hi, I'm Lacey Bryant. I'm from South Carolina. I'm 19 years old. I'm a sophomore majoring in mechanical engineering in the Honors College at the University of South Carolina. I chose this program because I had some difficulty with some other programs that I was looking at through my school. A lot of them got canceled because of lack of interest, or a lot of the prices were really high, so I had to do some extra research. And it's also my first time leaving the country by myself, or leaving the country at all, so I figured Greece would be a good place to go because it's not too far from home and the people here are really nice, and the price was also pretty good as well compared to some other experiences, so that's why I chose Greece. So for my first project, I worked with Sean Harrington and Scott Moore in the automotive department at the International Hellenic University. We worked with an aerial drone to program it to fly on a predetermined path, and we attached a computer with sensors that would take both temperature and humidity readings across the path at different time intervals. After we completed this project, we began another project where we tried to attach a proximity sensor to the drone. This could be done using an Arduino with Wi-Fi so that it could communicate with the drone itself and tell it when to stop when it got too close to another object. But with the Arduinos we had, we were not able to connect the Wi-Fi, so we started a third project where we took some sound tests of the different propellers of the drone and collected some data and put them into some charts and everything so that the next intern is able to use that data for a project to create a quieter propeller to make the flight better. Thessaloniki has been a very unique place to visit. There's a lot of historical stuff incorporated into the city, like the Byzantine Wall, for example, is running through a lot of parts of the city, and it's just very cool to see such historical stuff that's so well preserved in the middle of a bigger city. And a big difference between this city and cities in America is that the people here are much friendlier, in my opinion, and I can walk around at night and feel safe, and I don't feel like I constantly have to check over my shoulder. And when I'm going out to a restaurant or anything, the people are always very, very nice and welcoming, and we usually end up getting free dessert. But just overall, the culture here has been really great. Everybody's been super sweet, and it's been a great experience. Overall, I think Circa has been great. I felt very supported since I've been here. They send messages to check on us and tell us when it's going to be too hot or there'll be a lot of traffic. All of the program leaders were very helpful and very excited for us to be here.